Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how UnionAll function works in Scala. So union function is a transformation function. So it is used to merge two data frame which has the same schema, and after merging the duplicate record exists, then we need to remove the duplicate records with the help of a distinct function. So the main function of union is to merge two data frame into a single data frame which has the same schema. This union all function is deprecated, but still for the learning purpose I am creating a video for the implementation of union all function in Scala. So what I am going to do in this exercise, I am just importing all the required variable. Here I am just creating two variable which is going to hold the address of the CSV file. Here I am creating a schema with the help of a struct type and the struct field. I have defined 6 columns, their names and their data types with the help of a struct field. You can see here. Here I am creating this data frame by reading this CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function with the help of this custom schema which we have created here. In the same way, I am creating this data frame with the help and creating this data frame by reading this CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function with the help of this custom schema which we have created above. Once this two data frame gets created, then what I am going to do, I am calling this union all function on top of one of the data frame and passing another data frame name. So what it will going to do, it will going to merge these two data frame into a single data frame. And with the help of our display function, I am just displaying the newly created data frame. So for this exercise, what till creation of the data frame by reading a CSV file, we have done this kind of things in my previous exercises. I am going to copy the code from one of them and I will show you how this union all function going to work. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it as UnionAll. Connect this notebook with our running cluster. Now let's copy the code till creation of a data frames by reading CSV files. This will going to import all the required libraries. This will going to create a custom schema. This will going to create data frame by reading a CSV file. This is also going to create a data frame by reading a CSV file. Let's run this command cell one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. Let's create the custom schema. Custom schema has been created. Let's read this CSV file and create a data frame. So this data frame has been created by reading this CSV file. Let's see the content. Okay, it has 5 records. Let's create this data frame by reading this CSV file. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. It has 5 records. Now let's merge these two data frames in a single data frame. So let's create our data frame. Call the union all function on top of a data frame and pass another data frame which we want to merge. Let's run it. This data frame has been created successfully. So what I am just doing, I am merging these two data frame with the help of a UnionAll function. So let's see the content. So it has 10 records. So in this video, we have seen how we can implement UnionAll function in Scala and how we can merge two data frame into a single data frame with the help of UnionAll function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.